All right, we're live. So, hello wherever you are, kung anong mang oras dyan or kung nasaan ka man. I'm actually starting this market update for my partners in Overflow and for my community in TR. And of course, I wanted to make sure that people who are also following us in ZFT or following me personally would be able to also see the potential of what the crypto market is offering. And so, ayan, gusto ko kasi win-win. The market is improving, and I do believe that crypto is the future, and that everybody should be taking a look at this because this is what will be the norm in the future. How we're going to be seeing money is so different within the next 10 years. And crypto is going to be taking a big or playing a big part in that. Um, I'll try to do this regularly Monday. Actually, I'm doing it more for myself so that mas mahasa ako when it comes to these things. I want to improve on my skills. So here I am, right? And everybody gets to benefit. For today's update, it's just more of like what the market is, how I'm looking at it, and siguro some of the products that I'm using. Ang dami kasing nagme-message recently regarding the copy trade, so I'll cover that as well in this topic. I'm not gonna cover NFTs. That is going to be something more exclusive because I don't want you to get burned into an asset that you haven't really researched on. I noticed that a lot of people who are listening to the content that I dish out usually just jump in without any respect for risk management. So, guys, uh, do learn how to manage your risks because while we cannot control what the market is going to do, if it's going to crash or not, I mean, that's going to happen anyways. What we can control is our risk and our how we respond to it overall. So let's get into it. BTC, nakita naman natin na umakyat siya ng sobrang massive rally nito since the start of this year on January. And I'm pretty bullish about this move. In market sentiment or market cycle, this would be called the disbelief rally. Parang nangyari na yung capitulation dito. And then people are like, mukhang ano lang yan. Parang relief rally lang to. I do see that there could be possible points for correction, like this one, the 21,000 area and then the 18,000. I'm not saying pupunta dyan sa mga levels niyan, but highly likely itong 21. That's just my opinion. But again, even if it's my opinion, I will trade what I see. So if I see that there's an opportunity, like for example, it breaks out and goes up, hahabulin ko yan. Just because, I can trade that market. It's not because I think that it's gonna go down that I'm gonna be all cash. Hindi ganon. So, ano ba yung sinabi ng mga friends ko? Strong views loosely held, right? We want to be making sure that open-minded tayo dito sa markets because, our opinions, they really don't matter in the long term. What matters is the market's opinion. And if you're in alignment with that. So, dyan tayo nakabang, 21,000 and, well, the worst case scenario is this 18,000 level if there's a crash or a much deeper correction. And of course, that's just for Bitcoin. There's a lot of other coins out here that I'm investing into. The rule of crypto is that you gotta be diversified into a lot of these coins. Hindi lang sa iisa. So if you have, let's say, 100,000, divide that by 10 and then just put 10,000 in all these coins so that hindi mo alam kasi baka mamaya ang isa dyan nagiging bagger or next BNB or next Axie or next whatever it is, right? And you don't want na mafo-FOMO ka kahit dahil wala ka doon. So, it takes discipline then. I always tell my group or the people inside our community, when it comes to investing, you gotta be making sure na disiplinado ka doon. Monthly maglalagay ka parang dollar cost average, but not just on one investment. Just you have to diversify it on kaya diversify, diba? In a lot of other tokens or assets. And so ano ba yung mga investments ko? in Maya, you guys got to see the updates that I do there. And again, I do not recommend that you use the Maya app for your Bitcoin or crypto transactions because they're gonna get 5%. Yeah, parang kakaltasan ka nila ng 5%. So even if they say that, trading fees are free, the spread is just 5%. So I don't know what they're doing with that spread. Probably they're investing some of it for their treasury. Smart though, but I don't recommend Maya. I'm just doing it for the fun of updating you guys. And kita kasi dun yung parang peso amount agad eh. So yeah, I invested 200,000 there. It's diversified in Uniswap, in SHIB, in Doge, Matic, Algorand. Ano pa ba? Meron pa akong naman na-miss. Solana. Definitely Solana. I'm so bullish into Solana because Solana has been a great community. Like, sobrang ganda ng experience ko doon. And then, it's just really a fun community to be with, especially with NFTs. The transaction speeds, everything, the technology. I feel like if we want to be onboarding more people into the space, it's really Solana. It's going to be one of the main chains that will do that. Solid UI, solid products that are being launched there. And then, of course, it's not just Solana, right? Like multi-chain, what they call it, interoperability. So, I don't want to really geek out. Nawawala na ako sa thoughts ko. Let's focus, George. So, right. So Trader Wagon, because a lot of you have been asking, what are the updates there? Guys, I'm not supposed to be doing this. Siguro, ano na lang. I was in contact with them like last year. They were asking me to promote it, but I don't really want to be promoting something that I don't use, right? So, there's that. And gusto ko na lang, sabi ko naman sa kanila, I'm not as actively trading as how I was before. Now, I'm more of an investor. Let's say 80% investor, 20% trader na lang ako. But still, my investments are still timed. I still use technical analysis in my investments and make sure na parang pagka nakita ko na, uptrending na to, saka na ako bumubomba. So, it's very important that you understand trends. If you don't understand trends, guys, please understand trends. Like, ang daming free resources dyan. In ZFT, again, there's paid, there's free. Just get yourself acquainted with these things because we're not gonna see these prices for too long. I do believe that 2023 we're gonna have a bull market in all sa mga markets na nakikita natin. Of course, there's gonna be corrections and crashes there, here and there, but again, those are opportunities for you to make money. You just have to learn how to maneuver into these things, and I would say it's a great investment if you invest in yourself because you can pass this to your kids. If you know the craft, if you master the craft, you're gonna make the market kind of like an ATM for you. Withdraw ka na lang. Ano pa ba? Right, so we go to Binance. Binance is what I use. I also use other exchanges, but it's really mainly Binance. And then Trader Wagon, that's the platform I'm using to do copy trade because sobrang dali lang ng integration niya. Like, it's integrated with Binance, their affiliates as well. So, ayan. For you to be able to get into Trader Wagon, it's so easy. Guys, another reminder, if you ever get into centralized na mga products, like for example, itong Trader Wagon or itong Binance or whatever it is, no, sa crypto, use referral links because that's gonna save you a lot of fees. Trust me, malaki yung magiging difference niya in the long run. You don't even have to use my referral link, but just use referral links para yung mga fees you can save on that. I'm gonna link the referral links for Binance and for Trader Wagon in the description on this post. So yeah, pag mag-register ka, if you don't have an account yet with this, just click register, just click with the registration link. You can manually input the referral link for these things. But yeah, once you have an account, you can just log in. And then I log in with Binance. See, it's so easy. And then with Binance, I also link it with my Gmail para mas mabilis yung login. Like, I don't have to do all that stuff. Iniiwasan ko din yung login with QR code, but pwede pa rin gawin yun. So, continuing with Google. Wait, ba't hindi siya nag-login? There you go. Guys, kita niyo yung email ko. Huwag niyo akong paulinan ng spam. Okay, so I'm continuing with this. And here we go. We're already here. An update lang sa ating copy portfolio. So, I've already put in, siguro nag-ikot na ako, mga 20,000. Total net copy amount. So, parang ginagawa ko, I put in the amount and then pag nakita ko, this is not a profitable trader, I take it out. Or like, if I see that the market is choppy, I take some of that investment out and then nire-redeploy ko na lang with a lesser amount. So, total, I have around 3,000 USD na profit. Siguro yung total realized, yung talagang withdraw was 3,400. But, of course, with the current situation, bumaba din yung ibang mga investments, right? So, anyway, these are closed portfolios. Some are wins, some are losses. Ang pinakamalaking win ko is with Black Pig. So, this guy really is monstrous when it comes to his trades. Made a really good 4,205 amount. So they get like a 10% fee or a profit share. So automatic na yan pag stinap copy mo siya and then let's say profit yung buong duration no na tininade mo, na kinapi mo siya. Automatically what happens is that the money or the realized gains 10% of that goes to the copy trader and then the lead trader, and then you as a copy trader, pupunta dun sa Binance spot mo yung pera. It's either in USDT or BUSD. Automatic na yun mapupunta dun. So that's what happens when you stop copying a trader. Pag losses naman, syempre walang ang tawag nito. Walang i-share. Kasi mag-share kayo ng losses or something. Hindi. Part yun ng risks eh. So, ongoing portfolios, as you can see here, I've copied some or several traders. I'm also trying to copy one trader. I think it's Golden Trader or something ba yun, yung main account niya, pero puno na, unfortunately. But I want to be diversified into the traders that I'm copying. If you saw my previous video, if you haven't seen it, please watch it so that you would know how to filter like which traders yung gusto mo i-copy o yung mga hindi mo i-copy or paano ba? Like how do you find good traders to copy? But as you can see here, I've only copied like with $200, $100, $200, $200. So konti lang, hindi siya katulad nung before na 900 na nilagay ko kay Blackpig. And the reason for that is because I'm testing out the trader. So itong mga traders na nakikita nyo, tinetest ko pa siya for let's say a month. And then hinahanap ko dito, sino ba yung mga traders na, let's say, swing traders, sino yung mga trend followers, sino yung mga scalper. So far, ang na-identify natin ng mga hodlers or yung mga trend followers and position traders are Blackpig and Dominican Trader. Makikita mo sobrang laki ng mga gains nila, di ba, dun sa front page. But these guys are usually long-only market players. Ibig sabihin, pag tumataas yung market, saka sila kumikita ng mas malaki, right? Tapos pag bumababa yung market, syempre, they add into their positions. Pero yung kanilang overall stance talaga is long only. So, pag bumabagsak yung market or pag choppy yung market, dapat, most likely hindi yan sila kikita. Ang makikita sa ganong type of markets are the swing traders and also the scalpers. So, ito yung mga marunong mag-short, ito yung marunong, let's say, talagang tutok sila sa market, ganyan. So, I've identified several traders. One is hyper-focus. So, again, nakita niyo naman yung net copy amount ko, it's only $200. I'm not putting a lot there. The only time that I'm gonna put a lot there is if, let's say, for example, after a month, right? And then nakikita ko, oy, magaling na trader to. Tapos tingnan mo, I just copied this person before the end of the month of January and then 196 na yung trades niya. So this is usually a sign of a scalper. Parang in a just short amount of time, ang dami niyang trades na ino-open at kino-close. We have this guy as well, 32 times, mukhang swing trader din to, si Heng. And then, itong dalawa, syempre, the hodlers. This guy, mukhang maganda yung kanyang stats, pero hindi pa siya nag-trade ever. Bago ko lang naman siya kinapi, parang kahapon lang. So, acceptable. Itong si RCK, this guy looks like a really good trader as well. I saw his, yung parang performance, okay naman siya. I think he also does ano ba, parang Bitcoin lang talaga yung pinakamalaki niya, and then the rest nagte-trade din siya ng mga alts. Like ito sina Aptos, LTC, ganyan. So, itong sila in finance, hindi ko pa masasabi, pero looks like a scalper as well. And si Su, this one, kakakopy ko lang, pero ang lakas niya mag-trade. So, this definitely is a scalper. And kita nyo, realize PNL malaki. So yeah, I want to have a diversified fund even when it comes to copy trading. Maliit lang muna sa ngayon kasi I'm testing it out, and then once they have proven themselves, then I add more. Most of my funds are not really into, I've told you before that I'm more of an investor now than a trader. 80% of my investments nasa mga DeFi products, nandun sa mga crypto that's making my money. So I always tell this to people who are getting into the crypto space. I want you to see your crypto assets like as a house. So as a house, if you have a house, right, and let's say you're not using it, it's a liability because it's not making you any money. The only way that you can make money out of that house is, well, if you sell it at a higher price or if you rent it out. And with crypto, I want you to see it as that kind of asset, as an asset that you can rent out. So there are products in Binance, there are products in other protocols. Yung mga sa labas ng Binance, hindi ko na muna siya i-share because there are risks to that. There's risk din naman sa Binance. There is no, like, lahat naman ng mga investments, meron talagang degree of risk. But if you want easy access, easy, what do you call this? Like ways for you to be able to rotate your money and, ayaw mo nang lumabas sa kung asan-saan pa, Binance is really the way. They have the earn products. I'm not gonna cover that here. Siguro, I'm just gonna show you ito, earn. And then you can select Binance Earn, Simple Earn, BNB Vault, Liquidity Farming. So, ito yung mga madalas kong pinapaglagyan ng pera. Itong apat. Yeah. So, ano pa ba? Some of the investments kasi ayoko ipakita sa inyo or ayoko explain because there's like considerable risks there. And ayoko naman na parang you get into it and you get excited by the things that you're seeing that you forget, hey, we need to, diversify our funds, not risk all in kasi madalas sa inyo ganun eh. Yeah, like this guy, sige, hindi ko na lang i-explain, pero basically it's kind of like you put your money there, you put your assets there, and every time there's a change of hands, you get a commission. So nakaupo ka lang, let's say this is 2 days na, and 2 days na nandyan, nilagay mo yung assets mo, I'm already making what, 441 US dollar worth, and I'm not doing anything, I just provided liquidity. So that's one. But again, manage your risks and do your own research. You need to understand what you're getting into kasi yes, malaki yung kita doon, pero if you do not understand what you're getting into, please don't invest or just put a little bit of money just so that you can get a feel of it before you put something bigger. It's always prudent. Be prudent when it comes to your investments. Pero mo yan eh. Walang mas may pakialam dyan kung di ikaw. So, make sure that whatever it is na papaglagyan mo, aralin muna. Alright? So, ayan. So, usually what I do is trading gains ko, I usually put it and rotate it into these DeFi protocols or mga NFTs and kung ano nung nakikita ko, like copy trading, ganyan. So, I also trade, pero as in konti lang. Hindi siya yung pangmalakihan. And then, pag nakikita ko na parang, maximum na parang opportunity, then I pounce or I go big into these investments. Normally, guys, you see na malaki yung... Normally, what you see when I share my trades, maliit lang yung leverage, like times 3, times 5. Right now, nakikita nyo times 20, times 10 yan. Ibig sabihin, naka multiple tranches ako. Most of the tranche is like times 3. And then I put an amount, let's say 5,000 USD worth. And then I put another amount at 10. And then I put another amount of 20. Pero sobrang liit na lang. Like siguro 1,000 USD. Just uh, especially pag nakakita ko ng optimal entry. But I do not recommend like times 10, times 20 especially, or times 25 or times 100, because yan talaga yung nagpapasunog ng pera ng karamihan. So unless you're, let's say, already experienced in these things and you're good at scalping, then sure, go ahead. Do those things. But as much as possible, again, learn the craft first, right? Even if you dollar cost average and then just hold, yun lang yung alam mo. Pag marunong kang tumingin, how to identify the trends, how to identify if dapat pumasok na ba at mag-invest, how to identify if dapat umexit na ba, dun pa lang buhay ka na. Like, just this simple moving average can actually change your life if you know how to use it well. Hindi mo kailangan sobrang complicated. And yeah, 2023, I see that it's going to be a really good market for not just stocks, but yeah, crypto as a whole. So get into it. I encourage everyone, learn the ropes, because afterwards, pag natuto na kayo, the money is just going to overflow. Ayun. So, I think I've covered everything. May mga questions pa yata akong na-miss. Right. So, may nagtanong regarding the copy trading. For example, do I have to close certain trades? Like, for example, nakita ko, let's say itong si Blackpig, right? You can see meron siyang mga trades dito. You can actually close it by yourself, like manually, iti-take profit mo. Like, kung feeling mo mas magaling ka kay Blackpig, edi gawin mo yun. Close mo. Sometimes ginagawa ko yun parang, mas magaling ako dito. Ka-close ko to. Pero in the long term of it, mas malaki pa pala yung inakyat, diba? So, kaya nga nag-copy trade ka para hindi mo naisipin kailan ka papasok, kailan ka exit, because you actually let the trader do those things for you. So, yeah, if ever you wanna manually close certain trades, go ahead, be my guest, right? But mo pa in-avail yung copy trading? Bakit hindi na lang ikaw yung nag-trade kung papakialaman mo rin naman pala, right? But I'll try to talk to the Trader Wagon team. May maganda kasing suggestion. May isang nag-message na sana merong partial close, so that you can close half only. Like, for example, umakyat ng 100% or 200%, pwede mo i-close kalahati ng position na yon. And then let the lead trader do his work na, if ever. So again, when you copy trade, when the trader like closes the trade, then yung mga positions na yun magko-close din siya automatically. So that's how it's designed. And I really enjoy just letting my money flourish wherever it is. And then if it's not working, like for example, if there's a trader na hindi talaga kumikita, like after giving a month, sige, I'll just cut my losses and then move those profits or move those funds or ano mang natira, di ba? Dun sa mga traders na talagang kumita. And then some of those, like, nilalagay ko din naman sa iba't ibang mga investments ko. Yeah, siguro let me know what are the other things that you would like to learn. Some of the DeFi stuff, hindi ko siguro i-cover for public. For our community, yes, I will cover it in TR. If you're not in TR, you want to learn about these stuff, we have a lot of materials for this, and ako mismo, this year, I'm going to commit into dishing out more content for our community. I really want to see everyone grow into this industry and take part, kasi ang laki ng opportunity here. That's it, I guess. See you on the next update. Have fun investing and risk responsibly. Bye.